Good morning, tubers and tuberettes. One more day. One more day till we are allowed to walk into a store and buy stuff other than lettuce and milk. So what to do on this last day of restrictions? How about we see if there's anything interesting in my box? Today we have a special subscriber gift from Steve Crane. No love letter, just the receipt. So, thank you, Steve. Steve has sent me a little variety pack of the kind of sanding discs I was trying to get on Amazon, but you just can't get them in Canada. Don't know why. And shipping from the States is just ridiculous. So Steve kindly sent me a nice little variety pack, as I say. Smooth, medium and coarse. So I need to test to see which one's which. That's the smooth. Medium. That's the coarse. So, I know I've done plenty of bare metal grinding, sanding stuff, but hey, I'm going to do some more. I'm going mad. So there is a few bits that I want to try the smooth one on. Just a bit of surface rust that's collected since it's been out in the rain. Nothing serious. And I want to get rid of that and then get some more lacquer. The problem is, again, as I said earlier, the shops are still in lockdown. Don't open till tomorrow, and I need more clear lacquer. So if I grind it today, I need to keep it in the garage, make sure it doesn't get moist, and we'll get some more paint tomorrow. Right, let's give it a shot. So that's the area, and that's the areas in question. Now I know that will come up like that because that's how it started off, but I guess I just didn't get enough clear coat on it to prevent that. So as I say, I don't want to use anything too rough, just the smoothest disc, get rid of that. And then I might try the medium grade on the door, because it's pretty bad as well. The rest of it's okay. There's lots of little bits on the fenders, but as I say, we'll start with that. Well, it's working quite nicely. I'm going to take a bit more time with it. You don't need to see all that. There's some of this stuff here, which is the clear coat that was on it. It's kind of going black with the dirt, so I can use some paint thinner to get rid of that stuff. Lots of bits of surface rust still to do, but the disc isn't wearing down madly like the other stuff does, so that's good. As I say, I'll spend more time on that and I'll get that door done. Bring you back when it's all nice and not rusty. So I used the medium disc on the door to get the surface rust off because it was actually a bit thicker than that stuff. It's come up nice. I'm not too worried about the dark patches. The whole car's like that anyway. As long as it's kind of uniform crap, I'll be happy. So I've cleaned it off with some paint thinner, cleaned the front off with some paint thinner, and then tomorrow I will just blast it with some clear coat. What else can we do today? Shopping list. Starting with the workshop, I need new wheels. I posted up a little teaser picture on Facebook a few weeks back and basically was asking everyone what they thought these were. Well, these are the roller bearings from these casters and I've not been able to get into a store to find the right replacements. The other thing is when you go into stores, you know, they've got sales on and stuff. You don't get the sales online. Or you do, but you don't really know what you're getting. So that's one thing for the list. Another thing on the list that I know is going to please certain people, well, everyone, to be honest. I need to get some tubing so that I can relocate my filler cap to where it's supposed to be, over there, and fill that hole with a little circle of steel. That will be nice, but again, it's one of these things I've not been able to get online. And of course I need to get some of this. This is really nice paint. The reason that the other stuff rusted over was because it wasn't that paint. I cheaped out and got this Princess Auto. This would be your Harbour Freight cheapo brand, all-purpose enamel clear. Absolute garbage. I've got like 3 cans of that because it was cheap, and I'm not going to use it for anything because it's, as I say, garbage. Doesn't spray nice and it doesn't protect. So this is the stuff you like. Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover 2 times. Gloss clear, really good. Sprays nice, never drips. I'll get about 3 cans of that. I'm also getting a bit low on the old welding gas, but I don't really have any big welding projects coming up, so I'm going to hold off on that because that's quite expensive. It's something like $75 or $80 to refill that tiny little bottle. Nope, that will need to wait. I would really like to paint my running boards, but I've not quite decided on colour. I was considering using the gunmetal grey, the same colour as the wheels are at. But I think I need something a bit brighter, but I don't want it to look like fake chrome. Oh, truck got in my way. So, you know what, leave a comment. What colour would you paint your running boards if you're going for the bare metal look? I do still intend to put some sort of rubber mats in maybe a third of the area, maybe 2/3 of the area, so yeah, leave a comment. I can't quite decide. Unfortunately, that running board is not the same as the other running board. But hey, you can't see both sides of the car at the same time. Unless you're this guy. For all you Ram lovers, I'm currently waiting on a part to fix the truck. I've got a little engine warning light coming up. So that video will be either tonight or tomorrow. Just ignore it if you don't like the truck content. Some of you do, might be helpful to some of you. Otherwise just ignore it, okay? I know it's not hard road. So I'm just going to pace about for the rest of the day. Excited for tomorrow, and we can get some goodies finally. Can't wait, and I'm sure Alan down at Hooks Hot Rods will be pleased as well. Okay, take care everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.